Hello everyone, and welcome. I am so excited to share my passion for tidying and organization with you. Many people find such joy in creating calm and peaceful spaces, and I believe our homes should be our sanctuaries. Today, we'll embark on a journey to simplify our lives and cultivate mindful minimalist habits for a truly organized home in 2025 and beyond. Let's begin. Imagine this, you walk into a room and your heart feels light, your mind is clear, and a sense of peace washes over you. This feeling, my friends, is the magic of a clean slate. Start your journey by completely emptying a room. Yes, you heard me right, take everything out. Now hold each item in your hands. Ask yourself, does this spark joy? Does it serve a purpose in my life right now? If the answer is no, thank the item for its service and let it go with gratitude. Holding on to things from the past can clutter not only our homes but also our minds. It's important to declutter regularly. Set aside a time every few months to revisit your belongings. Remember, we are not seeking perfection but rather creating a space where we feel at peace. As you go through each item, ask yourself, have I used this in the past few months? Would I buy this again today? If the answer is no, it's time to let it go with grace. Imagine a flowing river, always in motion, never stagnant. This is the energy we want to cultivate in our homes. One of the most effective ways to maintain a clutter-free environment is to embrace the one in, one out rule. For every new item that enters your home, one item must leave. This simple practice helps us appreciate what we have, prevents unnecessary accumulation, and keeps our spaces feeling light and airy. Our homes should be havens of peace, and a well-organized space can bring a sense of calm. When everything has a designated place, it's easier to maintain order. Think about the function of each room and create zones for specific activities. Store items where they are used, making them easily accessible and put away. Just as we nourish our bodies with healthy habits, we can nourish our homes with daily rituals of tidying. Spend a few minutes each day putting things back in their designated places, wiping down surfaces, and appreciating the calm of your surroundings. These small acts of mindfulness can transform your space from a source of stress into a sanctuary of peace and tranquility. Thank you for joining me on this journey to create a more organized and joyful home. Remember, tidying is not just about decluttering, it's about creating a space that sparks joy and brings you peace. Don't forget to like this video if you found these tips helpful and subscribe to my channel for more inspiring content. See you in the next video.